Gonna have to get those chairs put into the shed. But thought I'd come out, show you a little Xavier's play place. It's still snowing. Doesn't really seem like it's building up the way it was last night. Xavier's too small to make it through the snow there. So I figured I'd get him a little bit of playing room. He can come back here and conquer the world. Still got to shovel a path out to there because that's where I want to put those chairs. Stupid chicken coop. Chicken coop would make a much better clubhouse, I think. And again, what do I know? I'm just a little kid. Of course, you have to have the obligatory emergency escape path that goes all the way around the house. This is the side yard. That's probably where I'm going to put some kind of little sleddy space. Probably put it headed right towards that bush so it never hits the house. Much better to have 2-year-olds tangled up in a bush. There's the attack reindeer, Gigantor. He's part of the elite cavalry unit. I gotta fucking unbury all this. It was a pretty good snowstorm. It's still a pretty good snowstorm. It's snowing up a storm right now. There it is, look at it. I don't know how much you can see. My phone sucks. The lens has been rubbed so many times at work. Got all that shoveled. Get the baby out here a little later. Not that cold though. I gotta do something about the roof too, in front of the garage and then over by the, but yeah, that's a lot of snow. And that's, it varied all over the yard. It was all different. Anyway, that's it. He'll be out here soon. Slip sliding away and getting pulled on his sled down all these paths. That should be fun. Slick, frozen grass.